of grads, if you're looking for the next step in your education, maybe consider Tulsa Welding School. Here's more in this sponsored segment.
Well, thank you both so much for waking up with us. Tulsa Welding School and Technology Center, so exciting. I love all that you have to offer. Tell our viewers a little more about what you guys have, Doctor.
I would be happy to. Tulsa Welding School was actually founded in 1949 in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and has trained thousands of individuals to become entry-level professionals in skilled trades for more than 70 years. Students learn hands-on technical competencies and skills in labs and also in the classroom, with a curriculum designed to meet employers' needs. Tulsa Welding School offers welding, HVAC, and refrigeration, and the electrical programs. Upon program completion, Tulsa Welding School graduates are equipped to start entry-level careers in a variety of different industries.
Doctor, you recently expanded to offer more programs, so tell me a little more about that.
Oh my goodness. Not only have we expanded, but we're super excited about doing it. The new programs are one of many, many more to come. And our school is actually meeting the needs of local employers and students looking for professional training to start their careers in a skilled trade industry. As there continues to be growing demands in the electricians, HVAC, and also across all of Texas, Tulsa Welding School will continue to be a partner in technical education by offering technology-infused programs and providing students with career support to help identify employment opportunities post-graduation.
And Ricardo, tell me a little bit more briefly about an overview of these programs.
Yeah, so the new programs that we're getting into the school is electrical applications and electromechanical technologies. So for the electrical applications, it's a 7-month program, and we pretty much show them how to do residential wiring as an electrician. We show them how to do pipe bending for commercial buildings, industrial, how to wire up motors. So they get pretty much a good variety of all different types of electrical work that they can do. As when they graduate, they can either go to residential to do only homes, they can do commercial to do buildings, or they can focus on industrial and work with motor controls and PLCs, cabinets, and what have you. As far as the EMT program, it's an additional to the refrigeration, HVAC refrigeration program that comes along with the electrical on having to do for residential and commercial wiring. So it goes hand in hand with HVAC. Those are the 2 new programs we got going on.
These all sound great. Where can we go quickly for more information, and when do classes start?
Oh my goodness, classes start June the 6th. And if you want more information, you can visit us at tulsaweldingschool.edu, or you can go to tws.edu.
Well, thank you again for joining us.
Well, thank you for having us. Have a good day, Houston.
You too.